Hello, please. My name is Erica Amabaka, index number 223823777, and this is my oral defense video. I'm coming to present. I'm looking at my database. I plan to use my laptop, but the recording is not working like the voice, so I'm using mobile. I am working on the Digital Ghana project, and the feature I selected is admin management for homes and sales listings, specifically how admin manage homes, like create, edit, delete from listings from the public page, so the works page that it links to. And I chose this feature because it's fully implementing like the purpose of our project and our repo and our database. The main purpose of our project was to display the client works, and the admin pages where the client would post their images through. So for data model and schema discrepancy, our schema relies on our user and home entity. Here is there's the drawing for it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So for the user account and the home listings account, and I should have done for the admin account as well, but I forgot to work on that. I'll work on that. So it's a case where an admin can create many home listings, and the back end middleware checking the is admin before allowing write operations and authorization will work for the project. For the query walkthrough, admin creates new listings for the HTTP request to pass through the authentication and admin's middleware, and the Laravel validator checks input fields against the rules defined in the controller. The database transactions only execute if validation passes completely, preventing partial rewrites once persisted, and the endpoint fetches all that is listed. And for privacy, something like passwords, we plan to hash them. So in case like our database is scraped, the password will just appear hashed for whoever scraped it. We plan to keep clients' information private. Our site will not handle payments. It will not. Doesn't handle any monetary transaction. All transaction is done through the client email, where the user contacts the client further on what they want to do. So yeah. So for failure scenario and verification, I tested with the unauthorized access using the curl request, the get request to the admin's root to redirect the login screen, which yields a 500 session timeout error before reaching the controller, confirming that the right protection works as intended. So in conclusion, if I were to enhance this data model next, I would enforce the uniqueness constraint to avoid duplicate house listings, and I will also fix the admin database for the admin user, for there to be a supreme admin and then sub admin. So like supreme admin is able to give sub admin the ability to post listings, and if sub admin was like to leave the company, they can be removed as a sub admin. Thank you.